Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thanks. How are you going? Pretty well, thanks. Hello and welcome to my channel, English T&L. My name is Susie. Thanks for joining me today as we learn and practice greetings. Let's get started. These are all greetings you can use with someone you don't know, or you can use these greetings with people that you do know, such as family or friends. Let's learn and practice the pronunciation of these easy ones. Me first and then you. Hello. Hi. Hi there. Hey. Good morning. Or the short form, morning. These two are a little bit more formal. Good afternoon. Good evening. Here are 3 ways to ask how someone is. Let's practice. Me first and then you. How are you? How are you going? How are you doing? Here are some different ways you can answer. Look at this example. I'm well, thanks. I'm is short for I am. When we speak, we usually use the short form, I'm. It sounds very unnatural if we say, I am well, thanks. Let's practice this. I am. I'm. I'm. When you answer someone, you can add thanks or thank you if you want to. You can also answer in a short form. Well, thanks. Let's practice. Me and then you. I'm well, thank you. I'm well. I'm fine, thanks. I'm good, thank you. I'm good, thanks. I'm great. I'm okay. Pretty well, thanks. Not bad. You can then ask the person you are talking to one of the questions. For example, I'm well, thanks. How are you going? Or you can use the short form. I'm good. And you? You can use all of these in different combinations. We have 2 people. The one reading the yellow writing is me. The one reading the white writing is wearing glasses. Hello, how are you? I'm good, thank you. And you? I'm great. Practice this with me. I'll have the yellow writing. You can have the white writing. You are the person with the glasses. Hello, how are you? I'm great. Now, let's practice some together. You can choose from the different phrases in white. You are wearing the glasses. I'll start first, then you. Also, ask me how I am. Good morning. How are you going? Pretty well, thanks. Hi there. How are you? I'm good, thank you. How are you doing? I'm okay. Now, this time you ask me. Choose from the phrases in yellow. I'll choose from the phrases in white. I'm wearing the glasses. Ready? Go. I'm fine, thanks. How are you? Now, choose another phrase in yellow. Ready? Not bad. How are you? And now choose one more. Ready? Go. Good, thanks. And you? If this video was helpful for your learning, please hit like. Also, please help me to help you by subscribing to my channel. Thanks again for joining me, and see you again soon.